Hello and welcome to ZED Upgrades. Now, I know you've not seen me for a while, but what I've been doing is I've been creating this app that I've been making. Now it's not perfect, but it's not completely finished. But I thought I'd release a beta test out. They all still work and everything, but a few little bugs. Now, let's go into this. So on top left corner, we have pull out drawer screen, which shows where you can install this app with the QR barcode, which I don't know how I came up with that, but I thought it was amazing because anyone else can just pull out their phone and just zap it, and then they can download it automatically, which is amazing. So all you gotta do is just get your phone out, get the QR code. If you've already, some phones have it already programmed like mine. Some phones, like my other phone, you need to download it and to download an app, and then take it, and then. But yeah, either case, once you've done it, you can download an app and then download this app, and then there's a little description given. Yeah, please follow my Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, on the top next to the logo, it reads, welcome, please read the descriptions. Once downloaded, go to your downloaded files to install the desired apps, then enjoy. Now, what that basically means is, I'm going to give you an example now, but what it basically means is that this is one of the bugs I'm talking about. So let's go into Typhoon TV. I'm just clicked on it anywhere on the blue, and it will download. On the bottom, you just said downloading file. On the top, there's an arrow saying it's been downloading or downloaded. When you scroll down to there, it says Typhoon TV APK download complete. When you click on it, this won't work. This is the bug. I'm wrapping my head to try and figure out how I can fix this, but at the moment I can't. But this is what happens when you actually click the button for this. Click it and then nothing happens. There's no. Sometimes it depends on which phone you have again. Some will give an error, some will just leave it like blank like that. Now, in order to download the Typhoon TV that's just been downloaded to your phone, is you go on to your My Files. It could also be called like downloaded folder. Again, depending on what your phone is. But when you click on it, you need to go in the downloads folder. For me, it's easy to go to APK files, but some options don't have. Again, some phones don't have that option. What you need to look for is ZED Upgrade Apps. It's all one word. Ignore the other one below it. That one, and then that top one there, Typhoon TV, is the one I downloaded. These are the ones I was testing and downloaded earlier. So you click on the button there, and then it will bring you to this screen. If you're really brand new to this app and the whole file links and everything, then it may ask you for permissions. It probably will actually ask you for permissions. Just click allow before it gets to that screen. Okay, so next we go back to my app. Now, let's go back to the start screen. So the start screen now, on the top as well, when you click on the top, anywhere on the top, what will happen is it'll bring you to my new website too, which I've created. Now this website didn't take me as long, but I like this website because it also has extra functions like the hyperlink at the bottom, the hyperlink where it says ZED Upgrades app. When you click on that button, it will bring you onto this screen, and this screen you could either share at the bottom, download it, or delete, comment, whatever. Now, if you click on the middle button, that will again bring you to that screen where you can download it, the package installer. I've not tried the share button, to be honest. Okay, I'm not going to get into that because it's new. What's this? Nope. Okay, so where did I go? Going ahead of myself. Go back to my app. So the QR code again, it will do the same thing. The versions now, what that means is the apps are constantly updating their current versions, and we will always try to update you as soon as we can. If we are running behind, many apps will let you update directly. What that means is, so say for example, Typhoon TV. Typhoon TV releases an update pretty much every week. What happens is that every app developer decides, oh, I want to tweak this, I want to make this app better, or if any bugs, then they can fix it. So when they update the app, you get an annoying little message saying, please update your app. Now, normally, you with my file linked account, I update that every day because it's quite easy to do that. With the app, it's going to be slightly more difficult because I'd have to update the whole app. I haven't quite figured out how to update it automatically, like file linked, for example. Yeah. By the way, with the app, I created it myself. I've not gone to any schooling for it. I just taught myself how to do it. It's really hard and frustrating. But yeah. So yeah, so give it a bit of time, and I will eventually update that for you. If not, you can update it. For example, with Typhoon TV, you can update it directly through the app. Okay, so ZED, this is my advertisement. Click here. That'll bring up to my website, the advertisement website, which is cool. Now the menu. Oh, that's what I forgot to mention. The best way to view this website is because it uses I think it uses Google Drive or something, because the Google Drive logo is up there. But the best way to do it is click on the logo at the top corner, and that would actually open you up the proper Internet Explorer website. So you click on that, go on About Us. I'll give you a few About Us. You click on any of the blue and it will link you onto the Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Below is the file linked codes that I have of mine. New updates will let you know when I've updated the app and what I've done to it. Questions and answers, the troubleshooting is just, for example, I showed you earlier. Get rid of that. What you need to do to download. The contact us is just to let us know any comments and everything. Just standard, really. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, you noticed I accessed it from that file, so I can access it from the top there and also from that button there. Again, with the advertisement, I saw it briefly there. If you click on the logo, that logo will bring you to the better viewing for that website. I haven't added many apps. The only reason why, because I want to keep it basic, because I don't want you to have too much selection, because then you'll be choosing which one to go on, and then you'd be wasting your time. I chose my favorite apps, really. For example, here I've given you the option for Deezer and Spotify. Now, I prefer to use Deezer only because I started off with Deezer, but a lot of people prefer Spotify, so I've added both anyway. Now, with Deezer and Spotify, they may ask you to subscribe and pay a subscription and whatever, but you don't need to. It's all ad-free, apart from that a very occasional ad which will ask you to pay. But you've already paid. You can pay if you like, but you don't need to. YouTube Van's my favorite. You need micro G for this. Games and miscellaneous. Now I don't play games that often. I play mobile games occasionally, and the games I play is not. I don't really play PlayStation much or Xbox. Um, I used to, but not so much now, and I don't really play PC games. The games I do love still playing are the SNES games and like Game Boy games and things like that. That's what Happy Chick Emulator is. I really recommend you to download that if you like them type of games. Um, File linked is there's my code there again, but it gives you a direct link so you can download file linked. Now, if the users who don't know what file linked is where you can download the file link to then get a code, and then you can then download the apps that are in the code. Um, um, I personally would advise not to have a look for more code because you don't know how safe they are. Anybody can just update a virus on there, for example. And but yeah, and then you can be downloading a virus which will kill your phone or Android device. My codes I've been tested, trusted, and I use them personally. Like I said, I don't release anything like that at all. Now, going with that, with the viruses and things like that, is the mobile security, which is below it. I really recommend you download that because it's a really good app. I've only used it on my phone. I'm not using it for my Android devices. I'm guessing you can use it, but I'm not tried it myself. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoy again, and any comments, please comment, however way you want, through the website or through the YouTube, Facebook if you wanted, or even Instagram. Please hit the notification and obviously subscribe to my channel. If you prefer not to use YouTube and you prefer Facebook or Instagram, please like or thumbs up or heart it. And again, comment. But yeah, I hope you come back to my channel, and yeah, see you soon.